how to say sick in Thai we say ป่วยป่วย what about have fever มีไข้มีไข้ the word มี means to have has or had the word ไข้ means fever so มีไข้ means have fever cough we say I cough I